Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a method you can try if you want to create a VK account without using your personal phone number. Launch the VK app on your device. When it opens, tap on Sign In to begin the registration process. Next, minimize the app for a moment and open your web browser, for example, Google Chrome. In the search bar, type free virtual phone number and hit enter. You'll see several websites offering temporary numbers. Open one of the top results. Once the site loads, browse through the available numbers and choose one that's currently active. Copy that number. Now switch back to the VK app and paste the copied number into the phone number field. After that, return to the virtual number website and refresh or click on Update Messages to check for incoming texts. Within a short time, you should see a verification code appear. Copy the verification code, go back to VK, and enter it to complete your sign-up process. And that's it, you're all set. If this guide helped you out, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tutorials.